was going over all these stringers, and everything back here looks solid, but I just found that, pulled that open. So there's going to be some kind of repair right there that I'm going to need to do. That's where the stringers come into the end of the main stringers come into this back bulkhead. So that's a pretty important spot, and it's probably why it's cracked. So I'm going to have to address that. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of rot going on in there, but there might be. It's got to be fixed regardless. This side's doing the same thing, but you can reach up in these holes in it here and here, and it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of rot going on right now. Mainly just right there where the stringer hits it. So we're gonna have to cut that open before these motors go in here and figure out what's going on. So might as well count on that. I'd say we'll end up replacing that entire bulkhead all the way across, guessing. But all this is all super solid, but I'm gonna drill it and check it just in case before anything goes in here. So that's where I am. Yay, finding problems already.